My name is Julia, owner of Julia Testa, which is a design company based out of both Brooklyn and Manhattan. Our mission here today is to work with Chobani to take what would have been a rather plain rooftop space and transform it into an oasis filled with flowers and plants that can really be used for any application, whether it's team building, meetings, or lunch breaks. An outdoor space is really something anyone can benefit from. Not every corporate space or private residence has as much space as Chobani, but that doesn't mean we can't utilize the space that you do have to sort of elevate that with plants and flowers, especially if it's designed correctly in a functional way that can be used for a variety of different purposes. We are so excited about this new expansion of products and services into outdoor rooftops, landscapes, and smaller nooks like balconies and gardens. We can't wait to show you what we can do. So feel free to contact us for an estimate and we'll come out, explore your space, and make it serene and relaxing for any occasion.